Most grill masters dream of having a nice outdoor kitchen. But what's the solution for scratching the grilling itch if you live in an apartment or house with limited space? When choosing a grill for your apartment, there's a lot for you to consider. Free space is at a premium, so you need a grill that doesn't take up every square inch of your balcony or patio. There are many small grills for apartment to choose from with different features and prices. Singer researched and compiled a list of the best small grills for apartment from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Char-Broil Edge Electric Grill. Experience hassle-free grilling with the Char-Broil Edge Electric Grill, a cutting-edge outdoor cooking solution that combines convenience and precision. With its push-to-start feature, you'll be ready to cook in just 15 minutes. No burners to ignite or charcoal to manage. The intuitive digital control system allows you to set and maintain your desired temperature effortlessly, ensuring consistent results every time. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the auto clean mode, which burns off food residue at the push of a button. The spacious 330 square inch cooking area includes a 270 square inch high temperature grilling zone and a 60 square inch warming zone, perfect for indirect cooking or keeping food warm. Whether you're a grilling enthusiast or a novice, the Char-Broil Edge Electric Grill offers the perfect blend of user-friendly features and advanced technology to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Number 2. Ninja Outdoor Electric Grill Smoker. Introducing the Ninja Outdoor Electric Grill Smoker, a versatile cooking powerhouse that combines the functionality of a master grill, barbecue smoker, and air fryer in one innovative appliance. This 120-volt electric marvel delivers the performance of a full-size propane grill, complete with authentic char and searing capabilities. Its foolproof BBQ smoker. BBQ smoker feature creates genuine bark and flavor using just a half cup of pellets, while the outdoor air fryer adds a smoky twist to your favorite crispy dishes. At the heart of this culinary game changer is Ninja wood fire technology, which harnesses electricity for power and real burning wood pellets for flavor. The grill comes with 2 blends of a 100 reel hardwood Ninja wood fire pellets, perfectly complementing any dish you create. Designed for year-round outdoor use and storage, this weather-resistant unit offers unparalleled convenience and versatility. Number 3. Weber Spirit Gas Grill. The Weber Spirit Gas Grill is a compact powerhouse designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. This liquid propane grill boasts impressive dimensions with a primary cooking area of 360 square inches and an additional 90 square inch warming rack, totaling 450 square inches of versatile grilling space built to withstand the elements. The Spirit E210 features a durable porcelain enameled lid and cook box that resist rust and peeling, ensuring years of reliable use. The grill's heavy-duty caster wheels make it easy to maneuver on various surfaces, from grass to patios, while 6 convenient tool hooks keep your grilling accessories within arm's reach. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-clean grease management system, allowing you to focus on crafting delicious meals rather than cleanup. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. The Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill brings the outdoor grilling experience into your kitchen, allowing you to enjoy perfectly seared meats and vegetables year-round, regardless of weather conditions. This compact powerhouse eliminates the need for bulky outdoor grills and messy propane or charcoal, offering a convenient and efficient alternative. With its high searing temperature of 450 def AU, 232 deg. This grill locks in juices and flavors, ensuring mouth-watering results for steaks, burgers, pork chops, and fish fillets. The grill's hood features a handy viewing window, allowing you to monitor your food's progress without lifting the lid and losing heat. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe nonstick grilling plate, which prevents food from sticking and eliminates the need for tedious scraping. Number 5. USC Stainless Steel Portable Pellet Grill. The USC Stainless Steel Portable Pellet Grill combines versatility, convenience, and advanced technology in a compact package perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With a generous 295 square inch cooking area and included griddle, this grill offers ample space for diverse culinary creations. Its portable design, complete with side handles and rubber-leveled legs, ensures stability on any surface and easy transport for tailgating or camping. The grill's pod control panel with LED display continuously monitors and adjusts internal temperature, guaranteeing precise cooking conditions. Additional features include a meat probe with holder, a smaller grate for keeping food warm, and a push-to-close lid latch for safety. Crafted with durability in mind, the corrosion-resistant stainless steel lid and pellet hopper withstand the elements, while the automatic ignition system provides effortless startup at the push of a button. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.